Hi, hello and welcome. This is your favorite chef Shri Bala. I hope you would love my recipes. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to turn the notifications on. Enjoy and happy cooking.
Hi, welcome back. This recipe is definitely not for the weak-hearted. You know why? We are going to look at our Madurai butter bun, which is going to be dunked literally in butter. And it's a very famous street food, and Madurai is known for its night street food. We are going to see one such recipe, the Madurai butter bun, definitely not for the weak-hearted. Come, let's see it.
Kindly make a note of the ingredients needed for Madurai butter bun. Only 3 ingredients are needed and loads of love. See the butter which is kept in room temperature. Then I've taken buns and sugar. I've taken yellow butter. You can take white butter or yellow butter. Only these 3 ingredients are needed to create a magic. I'm cutting it in the center. Take a fresh bun. And let's start the magic now. With a spoon, I am applying butter on both sides. So, you would need about 25 grams of butter for each bun. That's why I told you in the beginning itself, this is definitely not for weak-hearted and health-conscious people. Once in a while, you can of course indulge. I am applying a drizzle of white sugar again on both sides. Then close it. And on top, a little bit of butter. The pan should be hot enough. Immediately I'm adding some generous portion of butter. Now starts the heating up of the bun. Just keep watching. I'm going to apply butter again in stages. I'm waiting for it to melt. The layer of butter which has been applied in the center. See, it's just slipping off the buttery texture in the bun. The height of the bun will start reducing as it starts absorbing the butter. You can see now I've started dabbing it gently. Making it absorb the butter. It's completely reducing. The height is reducing now. And it will start caramelizing. So initially it will start absorbing the butter. Then comes the caramelization of the sugar. As I told you, 3 ingredients and a magic. It has to absorb the entire butter what is there on the tawa. And you can also watch the color. It has started to caramelize completely. It's a very simple recipe and it needs to be had hot. It's done now. I'm drizzling a bit of sugar on top. Of course, little more butter for it to melt again. I'm taking it out. I'll also show you how to cut and serve. Let's wait for the butter on the top to melt. It's melting now because of the heat. And see the caramelization. It's oozing flavors. I'm going to cut it. It's crispy now. That's it. An awesome street food Madurai butter bun is ready to be served. I hope you would love this recipe and will be doing it in your home. Please do share your thoughts.